Hello. Today we're going to show you how to create captivating e-learning content for your history lessons using openelms AI. Whether you're teaching ancient civilizations or modern history, this tool can help you craft engaging e-learning content that can be used in lessons or even set as homework. Best of all, it takes just minutes to create multimodal e-learning that will captivate your students' imaginations. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using openelms AI to generate e-learning content for a history lesson. We'll cover everything from entering your lesson topic to watching the AI generate content in real time. And don't worry, we'll speed up the generation process so you can see just how quick and efficient it really is. By the end of this video, you will have a complete e-learning module ready to enrich your history lessons, making them more interactive and engaging for your students. So let's dive in and see how openelms AI can bring history to life. So we have registered for free at openelms.ai. You will see this screen after registering. We can enter a text prompt or upload a document. We've elected to have a voiceover, that includes a video presenter, as well as knowledge checks and a quiz at the end. Then we press generate and wait for a few minutes. You can prepare multiple courses by uploading multiple PDF documents all at the same time. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've created a dynamic e-learning module using openelms AI. It's an excellent way to make history come alive and engage your students with interactive content. Remember, openelms AI is available for free to download, and there are special discounts available for educational institutions. So why not give it a try and see how it can enhance your history teaching toolkit? Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow educators. Stay tuned for more tips and tools to elevate your teaching experience. Until then, happy teaching.